My name is Anissa Ramdhani Thalia. I was born in the city of Flowers, Bandung. My nicknames are Anissa or Nisa. I am a student of D3 Pharmacy at Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya. Talking about habits and hobbies, I am someone who really likes cooking, playing games, reading, and exercising. During my time studying here, I've really enjoyed the basic pharmaceutical course. Every time I learn about medication and how to formulate them, I become very interested in studying and understanding them. I feel closer and closer to the profession I dream of, becoming a reliable pharmacist. Since I've been here, I've also started to like English, starting from the pronunciation and the material presented. When I first heard about the speaking assignment, my heart definitely pounded. Public speaking in a second language is a real challenge. My first impression of my overall performance was lots of room for improvement, but don't wholeheartedly. The most challenging part, definitely dealing with technical medical terms, trying to pronounce words like musculoskeletal or gastrointestinal fluently while maintaining a natural pace. However, what I learned is the most valuable thing is not perfection, but perseverance. The moment that made me proudest was when I successfully stepped out of my comfort zone, began to adapt to the environment, and was active in an event held on campus, especially within the department. And when I presented in front of the class, I saw my classmates nodding in understanding. That's when I realized, hey, I can really do this. My voice, which used to tremble, has now become a tool for communication. In this one semester, there were 11 topics discussed. Of all the interesting topics that have been discussed, the one that truly stood out me was chapter 6, Heart and Cardiovascular System. Why? Because this is the heart of healthcare. As a future pharmacist or pharmacy professional, understanding terms like hypertension and arrhythmia in English is crucial for reading medical records or drug indication written in English, providing patient counseling, or even reading scientific journal articles. This topic didn't just teach me vocabulary, it gave me the language and pronunciation to discuss life-saving information. This directly relates to my goal of becoming a reliable pharmacy professional who can confidently interact with patients. Over the course of one semester taking the English course, I learned many new things that are very beneficial for my profession in pharmacy. I learned many medical terms, actively had dialogues with friends, submitted assignments on time, and did them independently without anyone help. What is still difficult, I still struggle a bit with the pronunciation of English terms. I want to learn more about the pronunciation and deepen my understanding of the contents contained within those medical terms. So, what grade do I deserve? Based on my consistent effort, willingness to step out of my comfort zone, and progress, I believe I can earn a B. Why? Because I never skip class and always attend English classes, pay attention during class, and always complete assignment on time and independently without copying from others. There are bound to be some mistakes in completing assignment, but I always try to correct them in the next meeting or assignment.